In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Discord. Whether you're walking a friend through a fix, presenting slides to your community, or showing a game to your server, the process is quick and straightforward. First, make sure you're in a voice channel on a server. Voice channels are the ones with the little speaker icon. Click into one to connect, and you'll see your voice status appear at the bottom of the Discord window. If you don't hear the connection sound or can't join, it's usually a permission setting on that server, or the channel might be limited to certain roles. That part is handled by the server's moderators, so you'll just need to be in a channel you can access. Once you're connected to a voice channel, look to the bottom left area of Discord. You'll find the Share Your Screen button near your voice controls, close to your name, and the video camera icon. It looks like a monitor with an arrow. Click it, and a panel will pop up asking what you want to share. Here you get to choose between sharing your entire screen or a specific application window. If you pick your entire screen, viewers see everything on that display, including any app you open or notifications that appear. This is convenient, but be mindful of privacy. Close anything you don't want shown. If you choose a single window, only that program is visible. That's a great way to keep your desktop and other apps out of view. If you have more than one monitor, you'll also see options to share a particular display, which is useful for multi-screen setups. Before you confirm, take a moment to select the exact window or screen you intend to show. If you're sharing a presentation, have it open and ready. For games or videos, make sure the correct window is active so what your audience sees is smooth and consistent. Discord may also present quality settings like resolution and frame rate, depending on your setup. Higher settings look nicer, but use more bandwidth and system resources, so pick what suits your connection and your audience's needs. After you make your selection, Discord begins broadcasting that view to everyone in the voice channel. Your stream will appear as a tile that others can click to enlarge. From here, just talk as you normally would, and guide people through what you're showing. Keep your cursor movement steady, and avoid dragging windows outside the area you chose to share, so your audience never loses context. That's all there is to it. Join a voice channel, click the screen share button, choose what to show, and you're live. And there you go.